Archer and Stellantis partnership is really setting the stage for cross-industry collaboration. Our initial manufacturing operations will be capable of producing 650 aircraft per year, with room for expansion to over 2,000 aircraft per year. This is the first time in aviation history those level of rates will be achieved within manufacturing. So we really need to bring in a partner that has experience in this, like Stellantis. Stellantis manufactures millions of cars per year, so they have expertise and experience in advanced manufacturing technology, which is what they contribute to our partnership.
Archer and Stellantis team are moving full speed ahead in execution mode to ensure that we meet our goal.
I am directly involved with the Stellantis partnership. I'm part of the steering committee where we're driving a lot of the strategic direction in the partnership. So ensuring that we have a team that's made up of open-minded thinkers, creative thinkers, is something that is very critical to me and very important to make sure that we're going to be successful in this partnership.
The Archer and Stellantis partnership is really innovative. We have from Archer's side their experience with aerospace, and then Stellantis is bringing in their manufacturing and volume experience, melding those together, the best of both worlds.
I think it's important for cross-industry collaboration so that we can make the best product available.
My colleagues at Archer and I all come from different professional backgrounds, so being together, sharing the knowledge that we've had, our different assignments, it's really helping build that wealth of knowledge pool.
They're really becoming integrated into these teams, and their ability to really evaluate complex problems and distill them into very simple solutions has been really important for us at this phase when there are so many decisions to make.
We have really raised the bar by collaborating with Archer by being able to bring our past experiences to the table and being able to collaborate to know what will work and what will not work within a manufacturing environment.
And so we're balancing using supply chain and manufacturing techniques from both commercial sectors and bringing them into one.
It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to be part of an endeavor that will be revolutionizing the mobility world for decades to come. So it's really exciting to be a part of all of that.
At Archer, the goal is not just to bring Midnight to market, it's to do it at scale. High volume manufacturing is critical to this goal, which is why we've chosen Stellantis, one of the world's leading mobility companies, to partner with. Now that we have dozens of Stellantis folks working hand in hand with Archer employees, we're realizing this once-in-a-generation opportunity to redefine urban transportation.